Hey guys, Aaron here, back in the garage today. This time my friend Zach is over here and we're gonna do a little work on his car. So he brought his 2015 435i M Sport over, and what are we gonna do on this thing today?
We are going to swap out the catless downpipes, the VRSF catless downpipe that's on there now. We're gonna swap it out with the high flow VRSF catted downpipe. And we're also going to replace the stock intercooler with an ARM Motorsports 11-inch.
That sounds like a lot of fun, so let's get started. Another Christmas idea. All right, so just taking the pan off the bottom of this, bunch of little 8mm. A few more little ones in the front.
All right, stock intercooler. There's two T25 screws holding the intercooler in. We'll go ahead and remove those. Then we will remove the clips holding the fan shroud against the intercooler. And then we will undo the factory clips connecting the turbo inlet pipe here and the charge pipe here. Ignored the oil leak. I believe that's from the oil filter housing gasket above. But we'll start working on these and we'll get the stock intercooler pulled out. Yep. Probably need some eyewear on this one.
Just pull straight down. I don't think they come all the way off. I think they just stay on there.
Should be able to get them out, right?
Yeah, yours come all the way off.
Oily.
I think mine just pull halfway out and release.
That's because you pay a premium for those M parts.
Can't lose them.
All right. That's different on the. It's an OEM clip. That's an aftermarket clip. So I think that one sits in there a little differently. Well, I mean, the clip's the same, but where it's fastened in is. Well, figure it out. Let's see if I can get
The other side.
Let's see if I can get this guy loose. This kind of shit just come right out. Hey, look at their cigarette butt. That's disgusting. Look at that. How did that thing get over there?
It's a tight fit.
All right. Everybody else has just dropped out. Keep your mouth shut too, right? Keep your mouth shut. I'm gonna try not to have this thing come crashing out of the way.
I'll hold it with my hand.
Thank you. All right, let's see if I can shimmy this guy out. A little bit of resistance here. Make sure I didn't just pull something that didn't want to be pulled.
Come out pretty easy.
Yep. Damn. Woo!
Man. She is.
There she is. All right, let's do a side by side.
Yeah.
There's this cartoonishly large.
God. Yeah, it's a little different.
Yeah.
The new one doesn't come with the leaves.
No, leaves are extra.
All right. Theoretically, you just pop the caps off and shove it back in place, huh?
Yeah, the
Looks like it's got a place for bolts here to.
yeah. So there's a little modification we got to do here. Well, let's get this cleaned out. So there's these screw holes here, and so ARM has given some additional double-threaded screws to put up here.
Okay.
So we'll sink the coarse part of the threads of the screw on these posts, and then that'll give us another set of threads on which to mount the intercooler.
Yeah, it's handy.
Should be. The only question I've got here is these fittings. So I don't suspect that we'll have a problem here with this aftermarket fitting or this aftermarket charge pipe. Just theoretically, if it mates up to an OEM part, it should be fine.
Yep.
But there's a kit. There's a kit to make this happen. So
Yeah.
we got these guys and then some silicone hoses.
Okay.
So I believe that we will do a band clamp, silicone hose onto here,
All right.
and then do the
With
clips.
the original clip.
Yeah, I believe that's how that works. Now, one of these is longer than the other one. Not really sure why. And there's O-rings too. I'm wondering
Just
if,
replace the ones that are in there already.
I suppose, but I didn't see them come off. So,
There's one on the inside here.
you do have one in there? Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, and then there's one here on the intercooler.
Oh, that's some big old clamps. Oh man, look at that.
Oh, there are those gummy bears.
Gummy
So
bears.
the gummy bears were in the original one, and then they sent the replacement. They sent me a blow pop. I thought that was a nice little touch.
A candy touch. Screwing those in, use a little nut on it. And what size do we decide that is?
It's an 11. I don't think I compromised that thread a little bit by going up a coarser thread pattern with a finer pattern nut. I think we're okay. All right.
So now that creates a little post for the...
It's a hell of a lot easier to knock down pipe, I'll tell you that.
So far, not gonna
So far. Yeah, we're not at the promised land yet. Before I go shoving.
Need anything?
Nah, just need. Yeah,
Operation.
I want to do it here straight down. Let's take a look at this. Reevaluate this shroud situation again.
This thing attached to the top.
Right there. Okay, that'd just be two pieces. I'll tell you what. Let's I'm going to tuck that guy. Pull him down and put him back. Is that
Snip the corner.
aggressive? Yeah, just snip the corners.
All right.
Get the snippers. Snip the corners. Sweep the leg.
nice to
There we go. Come on, baby. There we go. It's tight. Look at that.
Nice.
There we go. Put you back.
Right in the posts.
Don't even know I cut you.
You don't even have to hold it.
Right?
All right, let's put it down, fire it up.
Can you,
Just washer and nut on each side.
I'm not spinning on the other side. Yeah, ready to go.
All right, so just sticking these in the silicone sleeve they gave us.
Give these guys a little tighten. In terms of,
So the long side is going over here.
yeah, I think we're probably fine to. Let's go.
That's on 10. All right.
Think that can hold 18 pounds of pressure.
I think so.
All right, these gaskets, what do we want to do about them? We want to replace them? They seem fine. But let's take one out and see.
Make sure it's the same size, first of all.
Yeah. Shit, there's two of them. No, there's this one. It's slightly different. Oh, damn, really? Yeah, it should be good. See how it fits. My hands are really enough. Yeah, yeah, this is a different size. This guy's a little bigger. Yeah.
Is the other one the same size? I came with two of them, right?
Yeah, that's a bit.
Both the new ones are the same.
Same size.
Yeah.
Are you asking for it here? No,
Yeah. That's fine.
I should be there.
We'll stick with the originals.
Stick with the original. Sometimes just shouldn't be changing things.
Yeah, let's put our O-ring on this guy.
Okay, we got this clip out of the way either. Can't get anything in there if he's out like that. Wow. Something tells me I've done this the hard way again.
Didn't like him out.
Let's see. Radiator. Radiator fans.
It's to go on from the top, then. You slide it inside. Slide it up inside there. Oops.
Gotta get my stuff in.
Put your clip back on. Yeah, let's figure out how these things fit in.
Turn it into
There you go.
a little more rigid.
Bottom snapped in.
Just don't know if that clip is.
Oh, your O-ring is all hanging out here there.
Oh, it is? Okay. Oh, shit. I see.
So we still got the factory O-ring in there. What I did on the other side is I just set this O-ring
Right inside.
right inside against there.
And then push the guy in.
And then here's this guy.
All right. Godspeed. I can't do the. shit.
Is that snappy?
He's in. Look at you, Aaron.
Yeah, look at that shit.
Look at you. You've done it before.
Nice. I mean, I don't know that that's right, but it
No, I mean,
seems
yeah, and he's in.
right.
Something tells me this is gonna be fun.
Yeah, that's the. Yeah.
That's gonna be fun.
If either of us had hand strength, we'd be able to do that.
It'd been done hours ago. I don't think it's such a damn tight fit around here.
You want it to be airtight or something.
I know, right?
See, you had to talk about this being easier than the downpipe. Now, because you've done it to yourself.
I should know better. I'll just do it this way.
Yeah.
This might be a two-man job. Well, we'll come back to him in a second.
Oh yeah, there we go. It's very close.
All right, I may have to two-man this.
Yep.
I pull, you tighten.
All right, there we go. That side is all tightened up.
Beat something from Starbucks.
We got a visitor. That looks delicious. All right, we got the rubber on there. Got them all tightened up. Let's put our panel back on the bottom. And there she is, all nice and shiny. All right, that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Give the video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and I'll see you on the next project.